Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using Let's Encrypt for VPS and server authorization. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Let's Encrypt on your VPS, open your terminal. Make sure you have root access to your server. Begin by updating your package list with the command sudo apt update. Next, install certbot, which is the tool needed for obtaining and managing your certificates. Use the command sudo apt install certbot. Once installed, you need to stop your web server if it's currently running. For example, if you are using Apache, run sudo system stop Apache 2. If you are using Jinx, the command is sudo system stop Jinx. Now, obtain your SSL certificate using certbot. Run the command sudo certbot certainly standalone. When prompted, provide your email address for important renewal notices. Enter the domain name for which you want to obtain the certificate. Certbot will automatically verify your domain ownership. If successful, your SSL certificate will be saved in a specific directory. Typically, certificates are stored in /etc/let'sencrypt/live/yourdomain.com/. Next, restart your web server to apply the new configuration. For Apache, use sudo system start Apache 2. For Nginx, the command is sudo system start Nginx. Finally, set up automatic renewal for your certificates. You can do this by adding a cron job with the command sudo crontab e. Add the line 0 ***** certbot renew quiet. This ensures your certificates stay up to date without manual intervention. With these steps completed, your VPS is now authorized using Let's Encrypt for secure connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.